Excuse me.
That's a bad outfit. Whoa!
Okay, Breslau, move these people out. God, look up there.
The hell's that?
Easy, miss. I've got you.
You've got me. Who's got you?
I can't believe it. I just cannot believe it. He got her.
Gentlemen, this man needs help. Well, I certainly hope this little incident hasn't put you off flying, miss. Statistically speaking, of course, it's still the safest way to travel.
Right.
Wait! Who are you?
A friend. Bye.